What if one screen could replace your monitor, TV, and even part of your computer? The Samsung Smart Monitor M8 does exactly that, blending stunning 4K visuals with smart apps, wireless connectivity, and built-in productivity tools, creating a clean, powerful setup that works perfectly for both entertainment and everyday tasks. Number 5. Smart Monitor M8. The Samsung Smart Monitor M8 is a modern all-in-one display designed to combine the functionality of a traditional computer monitor with the smart features of a TV. It represents a new category of devices that aim to simplify work, entertainment, and connectivity into a single screen. With its sleek design, powerful features, and versatile capabilities, the Smart Monitor M8 has become a popular choice for users who want both productivity and entertainment in one device. At its core, the Smart Monitor M8 is a 32-inch display with ultra-high definition (UHD) resolution, delivering sharp visuals and vibrant colors. The 4K resolution ensures that text appears crisp and images look detailed, making it ideal for tasks such as document editing, graphic design, and video streaming. It also supports HDR10+, which enhances brightness and contrast, providing a more immersive viewing experience whether you are watching movies or working on creative projects. One of the standout features of the Smart Monitor M8 is its ability to function without a PC. Thanks to its built-in smart platform, users can access streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, and other apps directly through Wi-Fi. This means the monitor can double as a smart TV, eliminating the need for additional devices. It also supports services like Microsoft 365, allowing users to create, edit, and view documents directly from the cloud without connecting a computer. In terms of design, the Smart Monitor M8 is known for its ultra-slim and stylish appearance. With a thickness of around 11.4 mm, it is significantly thinner than many traditional monitors. It is available in multiple colors, giving users the flexibility to match it with their workspace or home decor. The minimalist design not only enhances aesthetics but also saves desk space, making it perfect for modern setups. Another key feature is its connectivity and smart ecosystem integration. The monitor supports wireless connections such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, along with USB-C and HDMI ports for wired devices. It also includes features like screen mirroring, Samsung DeX, and Apple AirPlay 2, allowing users to connect smartphones, tablets, and laptops easily. Additionally, the built-in SmartThings hub lets users control smart home devices directly from the monitor, adding another layer of convenience. The Smart Monitor M8 also enhances productivity with its Workspace feature, which brings together tools and services needed for remote work. Users can connect to a PC remotely or work entirely from the cloud, making it an excellent option for home offices. The included slim-fit camera supports video calls with features like auto-framing and face tracking, making online meetings more dynamic and professional. For entertainment, the monitor includes built-in speakers and supports voice assistants like Alexa and Bixby. Users can control the monitor and connected devices using voice commands, adding a hands-free experience. It also features adaptive picture technology, which automatically adjusts brightness and color based on the environment, reducing eye strain during long usage sessions. Despite its many advantages, the Smart Monitor M8 is primarily designed for general use rather than high-end gaming. With a 60 Hz refresh rate, it may not meet the needs of competitive gamers, but it still performs well for casual gaming and media consumption.